Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to record name pronunciation on LinkedIn account and add such kind of mic. So this mic are pronounce your name properly with your voice. How to do it? We will see detailed demonstration in this video. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply I will provide you one of the demonstration. This is my LinkedIn account. I added here my voice pronunciation of my name like Dr. Sangram Singh Nathu Singh Kaite. If someone are click in this mic, so he or she can very easily recognize my name pronunciation with my voice. But you also add this one. How to do it? This features we are not update on laptop, we need mobile screen. So now let's start as a mobile screen. So let's start demonstration. Simply click here LinkedIn application. This is my LinkedIn application and top of the screen my profile picture. Just simply click here and we need to enter here in your own profile. Here is my profile and look at this. If I press here mic logo, Dr. Sangram Singh Nathu Singh Kaite. So I already added here my voice and my name pronunciation correctly. So anyone can very easily understand how to pronounce my name. Some of the Indians name are little complicated, so people are not understand how to pronounce. So this is the best option LinkedIn introducing. So now just simply click here the pencil menu and after that scroll down here and look at this here name pronunciation. You just simply click here. I just simply delete my old one and add here and hold to record here. So just simply I added here Dr. Sangram Singh Nathu Singh Kaite and that's it. Again you play here Dr. Sangram Singh Nathu Singh Kaite. So this is simple, though this voice is perfect, otherwise you can retake also. So I just simply apply and the voice is coming. Save and boom, save was successfully Dr. Sangram Singh Nathu Singh Kaite. This is a simple tips and tricks to add your voice pronunciation in your name.
If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.